Welcome to AppStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp app on a desktop PC. To do that, search WhatsApp on Google. Go to WhatsApp official website. Click download button to download WhatsApp installer. After downloading it, install it. After installation, in Start, type WhatsApp or search WhatsApp in your PC Start. Select WhatsApp. And here is WhatsApp app. Click login button. Scan the QR code using your WhatsApp app in mobile. Here is how you do it. Open WhatsApp on mobile. Press three dots at the top right. Select linked devices. Press link a device. Scan the QR code and you will be logged in to this app on desktop PC. All your WhatsApp messages, chats, or conversations will be loaded here on PC. And you'll be able to use WhatsApp on desktop PC. Now you can select any contact from the left side to continue conversation with them. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.